Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a 3D model of plastic bottle in Autodesk Inventor software. With the help of Autodesk Inventor 3D tools, we are going to construct this profile. So let's get started. Go to New, take a standard part in millimeter and go to Create. Now take a 2D sketch and go to Origin, or from here select the XY plane. Now from here select the 2-point rectangle. From the center point make a rectangle profile, go to Dimension. Give this height as 80 mm, okay, and the horizontal distance as 35 mm. Now go to 3D model, take revolve, and here select this axis. So it will make a solid profile and press OK. Now select this bottom radius, okay, bottom edge, and here take a fillet command. Here we will take a radius of 5 mm and press OK. Okay. Now we are going to construct a new plane to cut these profiles. So from here select the plane, go to origin and select the YZ plane. We are selecting the right side plane, and select this outer profile. So it will construct a plane tangent to this circular profile. From top you can see a plane is made tangent to this profile. Rotate the view. Now go to home. Select this profile or select this plane, go to create sketch. Go to rectangle command and take a 2-point center rectangle. Here make a rectangle profile, go to dimension, give this width as 36 mm and here height will be of 60 mm, okay, and from bottom this will be at 15 mm. Now go to horizontal constraint, select this point and select the center point, so it will be completely aligned. Now go to finish sketch, go to extrude. Here it is extruding outside, so from here you can go to direction 2 or just click on cut, so it will make a cut profile. We want a depth of 6 mm. Go to more. Here we will define the taper angle. We will define the taper angle as minus 45 degree. Okay. Go to shape and here press OK. Okay. So this profile will be made here. Due to taper, this profile will be generated. Now select the center of this profile and go to create sketch. Now here again we will take rectangle. This time we will take 2-point rectangle. Make a rectangle profile, go to dimension. From this edge this will be at a dimension of 5 mm. From this 5 mm. From here also 5 and from bottom also 5 mm. Okay, and escape. Now select all these profiles, the projected profiles, and make them construction. Okay, now finish sketch, go to extrude, go to home. We are extruding it at a distance of 4 mm. Go to more, give here minus 45 degree. Okay, so a new profile will be generated here. Now press OK. Go to shape. This is a 4 mm extrude. Here we will take join and OK. Okay. Now we will define the radius. So go to fillet. Take a radius of 5 mm. Go to edge selection. Select this edge. This. Go to right view. This edge and this edge. Okay. And apply. Now change the radius to 2 mm. Change it to 2 mm. Go to edge selection. Rotate the view. Rotate the view in a manner you can see whole profile. Now select this and this. apply. Now select this hole and select this hole, and here also select this hole with radius 2 mm and apply. Okay, exit. Now you can hide this plane. Select this plane one, right click, turn off the visibility. Okay, so this will be the cutting profile. Now from here go to circular pattern, select from extrude 1, press shift and select all the profiles. Go to rotation axis and select this as rotation axis. Here we will take a count of 6 and press OK. Okay, so this will be this bottom profile. Okay, now we will make the top profile, the circular profile. So for circular profile, go select the XY plane, go to create sketch, go to circle command. From this midpoint, make a circle till this end, till this green point of dia 70 mm. Go to view, visual style, change it to wireframe. Now you can see a circle is passing from here also. Escape, go to sketch, take line command and join it till center point. And here also you can join. Okay, and escape. We need only this portion. So go to trim, select this profile, select this. Okay, only this profile will be left. Now finish sketch, go to home. Now go to revolve. So this profile will be selected, and for axis selection, select this. Go to view, visual style, change it to shaded with edges. So a circular profile will be created. Now press OK. Okay. Now we are going to make this cut profile over here. For this cut profile, go to XY plane, go to create sketch, go to view, visual style, change it to wireframe. Now go to sketch again, take arc and select 3-point arc. Select here the midpoint and select this endpoint and click here. Go to dimension, define this radius as 50 mm and OK. Escape. Now you can see this is not constrained properly. Drag this, go to coincident, select this point and select this point. Okay. Similarly, select this green point and select this point of arc. Now this arc has been constrained. Select this outer profile, make it construction. Now go to line command. We'll extend this line until this point. We'll extend it here. Go to dimension, define this as 45 mm. Okay. So this profile should be outside this circular profile. Go to 3D model, extrude this profile. From here we will select all and here we will take symmetric. Okay, and take cut, go to view, visual style, change it to shaded edges. Now you can see here, to make it more precise, go to distance and drag this. Now you can understand it more clearly. So this profile will make this cutting profile here and press OK. Okay. Now go to 3D model, take the circular pattern, select extrude 3, go to rotation axis and select this circle as rotation axis. Okay, select this profile. Here we will take a count of 10 and press OK. So cutting profile will be created. Okay. Now go to part 1. Now we will make this extension or the opening of the bottle. Go to part 1. This is also part 1. Go to rotate the profile. Select this bottom face. Go to create sketch. Take here a circle command. Select the center point and make a circle of diameter 30 mm. Okay, and escape. Select this line, delete. Now go to 3D model, extrude, Here it is going downside. So from here we will take direction 2, change it to join, rotate the profile, and here give a distance of 130 mm. Okay, so it will come out of this profile, and here we will taking join and okay. Okay, now go to fillet command. Here we will take a fillet radius of 5 mm. Go to edge selection, select all these edges one by one. Okay, rotate, select these edges one by one, select this, rotate, and here select this profile, rotate again this profile, and last this profile. Okay, now we have selected all the profiles and apply. Okay, now select this profile. Here also radius will be 5 mm and apply. Okay, exit. Now as we have defined all the outer profiles, now we will make this profile a hollow profile. So go to shell. Okay, and take here a shell thickness of 2 mm, and here we will select the remove face, and here we will select inside and select this top face. Okay, so this has become a shell profile. Press OK. So it will shell up to a thickness of 2 mm. From top you can see inside this is a hollow profile. To see it more precise, go to view. From here you can select half section view and select any plane. You can select XY plane. From front you can see this is a hollow profile from inside. Okay, now exit this, go to 3D model. Now we are going to make a thread profile over here. For thread profile, go to plane, select offset from plane, select this top face, give here a distance of -5 mm and press OK. Select this plane, go to create sketch, go to project geometry and project this outer circle. Finish. Now from here, go to 3D sketch and select the helical curve. Select this center point and select this plane. Okay. Now go to front and select this straight green line. Okay. Click here. Now define here the diameter as 30 mm. The pitch here will be 5 mm and the revolution will be 2.2. Okay. And click this side and apply. Exit. Now finish sketch. Now you can see a helical coil has been created around this. Now we don't want this plane and this yellow profile. So from here select the sketch 7, hide this, and for plane select this plane 2, right click and turn off visibility. Now we will generate a new plane on this point. So go to plane, select this point and select this curve. Okay, rotate the view, select this plane, go to create sketch, and here go to project geometry, project this point, and here we will take polygon command and make a triangle profile. Okay, here we will select as 3 sides. Okay, and make a 3-side polygon or a triangle you can say. Now go to coincident, select this point and select this midpoint. Escape. From here go to vertical, select this point and select this point. Okay, go to dimension. From base this will be a height of 2.5 mm and escape. Now finish sketch, go to sweep and here select this as path. Okay, and here we are taking join and press OK. So it will construct a thread profile over here. Now you can see it more clearly. Select this plane. From here, right click and turn off the visibility. Now this is fully defined sketch. Now from here you can assign the color. I have taken the red color, so I am taking again the light red color. Okay. So this was a basic tutorial to how to construct a plastic bottle in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.